Students, already we have seen ice cream man poem. Again one time we will read this now. Okay. See, when summer's in the city and brings a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with moons of cooling brown and white, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry or chilly things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white or pink. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster round as thick as honeybees. Who is the writer of the poem? Roger Field. Okay, students, already we have seen in last year how do we mark the noun, verb, adjectives, everything. Is it? So, what are the nouns in the first stanza? I have marked here. Verb and then adjectives too. Okay, like that you have to do next stanzas. Okay, students, turn the next page. See the new words column. Blaze, bright flame or fire. Trundling, moving on small broad wheels. Students, see the new words. It means meanings. Blaze, bright flame or fire. Trundling, moving on small broad wheels. Mounts, heap or pile. Frosty fizz, chilled drink making a hissing, bubbling sound. Cluster, gather around. Group of similar things. See the question and answer. Reading is fun. In which season is ice cream popular? Which season? Summer season. Who feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man? Especially who will joy the children only. Name the different flavors of ice cream the ice cream man has in his cart. Vanilla, strawberry and chocolate. What are the two things that the ice cream man is selling? What are the two things? Ice cream and cold drinks that the ice cream man is selling. What is the ice cream cart compared to in the poem? The ice cream cart compared to in the poem is like a flower bed. Okay. See here, let's write in column. Having an ice cream on a hot summer day is exciting and enjoyable. Write about some of the exciting and enjoyable things that one can do in the winter season. What are the things do you like to do and enjoyable? The things you have to write in the winter season. So that you have to fill. This is your choiceable question. See the next page. List as many summer activities as you can. What are the things you will do in the summer? That you have to fill here. Then come to the next. Now group these activities into indoor and outdoor activities. Indoor game you have to write here. Outdoor game you have to write here. See here, say aloud. Circle the words where you get a Z sound. Is that how many is that they are giving? 5 is that sound is z, like one is done for you. Honey bees, price, maze, face. For here the Z sound is less only we are using, but these two words we are pronouncing that too much, so that we have to circle price and maze. See the next one. Rice, blaze, fish. So here blaze and fish we are using the sound mostly, so that we are circling that too. Next, lazy, busy, racy. Here lazy only we are using the Z sound. Other those words we didn't use that much. Race, is. Here the race only we are pronouncing that too much, so that we are circling that one. Chase, this, these, frosty. Here chase and these two we are using the Z sound mostly. Okay students, have you understood how we are circling the Z sound in this? Okay, thanks. Turn the next page. Listen and tell the sounds that these words in the poem produce. Cart sound. It's to be trundling one. Cart sound how? Trundling. Drink sound, frosty fizz. What is that? Frosty fizz. Like that, what are the sounds you are making? That everything you have to make a report. See the next one. What are some of the different sounds you hear when the ice cream man comes? Especially we are hearing the bell sound. Is it? That's the first one. Bell sound only. Okay, see the next one. It is a report. It is a lal form. This is a farm animal of cow. So what are they are doing in the lal farm? They are giving us some sentences. We have to make a report of or from that. So like that, you have to make a report. How it is? I am explaining. Listen here. You have to take a ice cream. About an ice cream near to your shop or else in your ice cream wholesale shop. Okay, you have to take some branded ice cream available. What are they? Okay, next you have to make what are the flavors you are getting from there. Then what are the flavor do you like most and which flavor sold the most from the shop? What is the price of that? Everything you have to collect the information. Then which ice cream is mostly popular sell in the ice cream shop? That is you have to find out. Then you have to make a paragraph and you have to fill here. Then see the next one. We have to color the rhyming words. Okay, city caught, it's not same. So what is mean by rhyming word? The end of the sound is to be same, but the spelling is to be wrong. That is the rhyming words. City and caught, it's totally wrong one. Okay, heat, street, end of the sound is same. So this is we have to color. Blows, goes. This is also correct. The end of the sound same. Do, go. End of the sound same. So what are the tick I am doing here? Everything you have to give color. Hard, yard. This is same. Bowl, doll. Is this wrong? Cow, so. This is also wrong. Label, table. This is maybe correct. Okay. Sky, mic. This is correct one. Play, obey. No, here A sound, here E sound. We are pronouncing here E sound. So this is wrong. Raise, face. This is correct. Right, night. This is maybe correct. 90% only. But end we are using a T sound. Here we are using a E sound silently. So that we can give this color. So wherever I am giving tick, that every boxes you have to color. Thank you students.